Hey Casey area, this is Mika with Weather Watchers, and I am about to bring you some crazy weather. Tuesday, we're gonna get some rain showers through the day. That's gonna bring some unstable air into the afternoon and evening hours. Through the night hours into Wednesday morning, we're gonna get some big old thunder boomers with some crazy winds. Not a super high chance of tornadoes, but it's not impossible. Expect some wind damage because those winds are going to be coming fast and strong. But we're not done yet. Behind that crazy storm system is going to be a blizzard. Snow falling, winds rushing. It's going to be like a blizzard in Kansas City on Wednesday. So be prepared. But don't worry, the snow's not sticking around this time. Thursday is popping right back up to the 50s. And then the next following week is bringing the 60s and even the 70s. So get excited. Storm season is here. See you next time on Weather Watchers. March, you'll be cray-cray.